How to see your YouTube Wrapped. I'm going to tell you how to see your YouTube Wrapped and check your yearly watch stats. YouTube doesn't have an official Wrapped feature, but they do release YouTube Recap at the end of the year. You can find it by searching YouTube Recap in the YouTube app and or checking YouTube Music Recap from your top songs. If you want a full breakdown of your watch habits, some unofficial websites like statsforspotify.com, it's on the YouTube section, or YouTube Rap Generators, claim to track your stats. However, these sites may require account access, so use them with caution. For now, YouTube's recap playlist is the safest way to view your yearly stats.